Stop by and take a look at the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, privacy glass, rear stabilizer bar, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.